I chose this stitch because here you could put your earrings in these holes right here. So it's pretty easy, and I got. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new here. So today's plan for this video is going to be a vlog because I have not been too motivated lately to do a tutorial. There's just a lot of things that go on in my daily life that, like, by the end of the day I am like tired, and it's something that, like, making tutorials for you guys is something that I really like, but at the end of the day is like, do I rest or do I film a tutorial? But I'm doing my best. I did, however, film this stitch for this, the tutorial stitch for, is that how you call it? I did film the tutorial for this stitch, and I believe it's called the fan stitch, but it's also like similar to the shell stitch. I will link the shell stitch up there because I have a tutorial on the shell stitch, and it's pretty similar to this one. It's just like there's just a little bit of a difference, so you will see when this one goes up. So this one the tutorial for this should go up before this vlog. So yeah, make sure to turn on your notifications so you so YouTube lets you know when they go up. And excuse my hair, I have not done my hair. I just did my makeup. I'm still on my PJs because I just did laundry, and all of my laundry is like dirty. And also, I hope you guys can hear me well because the fan, I have a fan going on here, and that's why my hair is blowing off. My fan is like going off over there, and I can't turn it off because it's super hot in this place. So excuse that, but I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of today. I don't know what I'm doing today. I have the day off, and sometimes when I have the day off I want to be productive, but at the same time I want to rest, but then I feel guilty for resting and wasting my day off and not doing productive things. I don't know, let me know in the comments if you also feel like that whenever you have a day off. So today I'm trying to be productive and filming a video for you guys and kind of show you behind the scenes of what I do relating to crochet. So today, like I said, I finished filming this stitch. I still need to finish getting ready, and I might go out and see if I can find some yarn because I have this design in mind for winter, and I have a specific yarn that I want to use, but I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to find it because I don't know why, for some reason, every time that I'm planning a design, something happens and I'm not able to finish it in time. Like, something in my life happens and it's like I am not able to finish it in time. And this design that I have in mind is like a garment, so that takes like more time, especially if you want to make more sizes and stuff, which is also really intimidating to do. Those of you that do garment design, I don't know how you guys do it, so you guys are amazing, but I really want to do this one by winter time, so hopefully I can do that and nothing major happens in my life because it's been crazy, you guys, like super crazy. But without going into any details, yeah, I'm gonna show you what I do. Okay, so I just popped my glasses on, and I wanted to show you guys the project that I've been working on with that stitch. It's the fan stitch that I just showed you, and it's the next tutorial that I have in mind to publish for you guys, and it's pretty easy. You just need like well, I'll show you. So this is what I had in mind. So it's like a crochet earring holder. So I I chose this stitch because here you could put your earrings in these holes right here. So it's pretty easy, and I got this frame right here at the Dollar Tree, and you only need the yarn and the frame. So even at Dollar Tree they have the just yarn that's $1. So this roll would so this would only cost you like $2. Well, a little bit more because now the Dollar Tree is more than $1, which sucks, but it's okay. It's so cheap. So I wanted to show you guys. I'm still working on it, kind of like tweaking on it, because the back is a little, if you see, it's like I made mine too long, so I have to frog like probably like one row of it. So I just need to, once I have that done, I just need to film the tutorial, which is pretty easy, you guys. It's just like the stitch tutorial, but it's just like longer and taller. Gonna stick it on there, and that's it pretty much. So yeah, it's pretty easy. I think the hardest part is actually like filming the tutorial, setting everything up, then actually doing the project. So if you guys see, I just finished it, but it's like harder to like explain and like put everything on video and stuff, which is why I like procrastinate a little bit sometimes. But I'm working on getting that out to you if you're interested. So yeah, I'm almost finished with this. And you guys could probably use any other stitch that you like. So I will show you in the video tutorial. So that is one thing that I have planned. So I just wanted to show you guys this project real quick. Oh, and also those lights, somebody asked me where I got them from, and I will have the link on my description box, but I just got it on Amazon. So they were pretty cheap. I think they were like $12 at the moment I got them, but I really like them because they twinkle. They have like 5 settings, but right now I just have them like that, so it's not like too annoying. But it's what I use on my background most of the time. So yeah, that's that. So now I'm just gonna finish getting ready and see what else I do in the rest of the day, okay? Alright guys, so I just finished the sample for the shell stitch, and I'm gonna be using that as a thumbnail on that video. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna leave it like that for now, and I think I'm just gonna eat something, and then I'll see what else I can do the rest of the day. So yeah, we'll see you around. Alright guys, so I just arrived at this coffee place called Scooters that I've been wanting to try here in my town, but I haven't been able to get to it. But today is, like I said, my day off, so I'm gonna try it. I didn't get coffee today, so I'm really craving it. I need coffee at least once a day, but I'm out of milk at my house, so I couldn't make it. So we'll see how this one tastes, okay? Alrighty guys, so this was the last thing that I was able to vlog in my day, and I really did enjoy this coffee. It was super delicious. So I will see you again on my next vlog or tutorial. So thank you for watching. I'll see you. Bye.